Here's your reason number 5700 as to why you should get a lawyer before you sign on any deal. The other day I had a client that came to me, and this was a client who had invested $1 million, had paid someone about $1 million to build something, construction project. Now, like in many construction projects that involve so many people, they have problems and people don't get along, people have miscommunications. So they come to me with the contract that he signed before hiring a lawyer, and guess what? The contract that he signed has $1,000 limitation on liability clause. What that means is that this guy contractually signed saying that, hey, if we fight, my damages, even though I pay you $1 million, are limited, they're liquidated at $1,000 to a fixed amount. So, maybe a court will say that that clause is not enforceable because it's pretty outrageous that if you lost $1 million, the other person gets away with it and only has to pay you $1,000. But hey, even in that scenario, you're gonna find yourself in a situation where you are litigating the issue. There's a theory called when it shocks the conscience, right? If that clause shocks the conscience, it's like too unfair. Sometimes under public policy grounds, courts don't enforce it. But you're gonna find yourself litigating shock the conscience. You're gonna find yourself litigating and paying a lawyer to do that. And that takes time and that takes legal fees. So it is extremely important that you get a lawyer beforehand. In any event, it is super important that you sign a contract that doesn't have those kind of things, because basically you are signing away your protections and your assets.